In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps we followed to create the illusion of drawing the circumference of a circle. Essentially, we've crafted the effect of a smaller circle that traces out a larger one. This was achieved using Adobe After Effects. Here's the final result that you too can achieve by following our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe to help our channel grow. This will support us in creating even more tutorials and informative videos in the future. Have a wonderful day.